Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but one that I find very interesting. Let's see. They brought us a van so that we can solve some mechanical problems it had. We have already solved them. And we have dismantled the air filter. And we have told the owner of the van that if we asked for another filter, because this one is very dirty and would have to be changed. And the owner tells us that he does not see it as dirty, that he has had them much dirtier, and I had not had any problems with them, with this van, and that we left it like that, without changing. Then you explain that a dirty filter causes less air to enter the engine and increases consumption of fuel, and the performance of the engine is poorer. And he tells us that changing the filters when they are this dirty is an invention of the mechanics to extract money from the customers. So what do? Turi, you put the dirty filter in, and that's it. This is not a money grab. This filter is barely worth 10 euros. What this causes is that the engine, as I say, has less power because less quantity is entering it, of air than it should, and is consuming more fuel. Well, here I leave you this video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.